Hey, good afternoon. This is Larry from PonderNest. It's December 15th. So topic, been all over the news, mainly in the Northeast, is drones. So the drones going around, they're more than likely government owned. Some sheriffs have put their drones up to go and get closer to them. They said they are larger. They are going in swarms in some locations and not in others. But these drones can be equipped with FLIR, forward-looking infrared radar. They can get the heat signatures. They can also sniff, whether it's nuclear, biological, all that other stuff. More than often, they are also used over in war zones to sniff dirty bombs, so forth. They are not like a Sky Raider drone that you can get at a store and play around with in your yard with a camera on the front. So, but anyway, they're out there until the government tells us what they are doing with them and what that intel that they're gathering is going to be used for. We won't know. It's only speculation. I did see where one crashed or went down. It looked more like a small plane to me. I have a background in aviation, so again, the drones, post below what you've seen if you've taken any pictures, if they're in your area or not. Like to hear about it. My name's Larry with PonderNest. We'll see you tomorrow.